Okay, this is the old man 100th day of school or costume idea for you. It comes with this adjustable collapsible cane for a child's size, the suspenders, the vest, the necklace, watch, and really the hat, glasses,
And mustaches.
pretend mustaches, and a bow tie. So go ahead and turn around and show them this little suspender thing. And this is adjustable. They do come in different sizes. I got a size small for him, and this all fits perfectly. We just put jeans on. We put the long sleeve shirt underneath, so you can accessorize a little bit with this. And then it's super cute. It's great for a 100th day of school type costume, or even a Halloween costume. Go ahead and there you go, bud.